ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. This is kanji of moon. If we add this, then this become kanji of aida, between. Aida, ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi, juni. Only this part, ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, is moon. And this is Aida. The only difference is this. Between interval. Aida. Okay. Onyomi is Khan. Kunyomi is Aida. Ma. Aida is between. Aida is between. Jikan is time. Jikan is time. We use this kanji of ji, time or hour, and this is kanji of kan. Jikan, time. Ichinen kan. Ichinen kan, a year. This is kanji of toshi, a year. Ichinen kan. It indicates time interval of a year. This is kanji of chikai. So whenever we get this part, we will draw kanji from right to left. So we'll first draw this ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Wherever we see this, we will draw from right to left. So, ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Onyomi is kin. Kunyomi, chikai. Chikai is near, recent. Chikai, near. Chikaku is also near. Kinjo is neighborhood. Neighborhood. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi. Fish. Onyomi is gyo. Kunyomi is sakana. U. Sakana is fish. Sakana, fish. Sakana ya. Sakana ya. Ya is shop. Sakana ya is fish shop. Gingyo. Gingyo is goldfish. We have seen this kanji gin. Gin is gold. Gin is gold. And this sakana is fish. So gingyo is goldfish. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Onyomi is shu. Kunyomi is te. Hand. Te is hand. Tegami. Tegami is letter. Handwritten letter. Jozuna. Jozu. It's skillful. So this is kanji of ue. This is kanji of te. Skillful hand is jozu. Is na adjective which means skillful. Jozuna, skillful. Similarly, hetana. Hetana is unskillful. Here we used kanji of down, that is inferior. Inferior hand. Te, unskillful. We can remember like this. This kanji is similar to oki, which means big. Like oki is kanji ichi ni san. We are just adding this. Ichi ni san shi. Ichi ni san shi, which means inu, dog. Onyomi is ken. Kunyomi is inu. Inu is dog. Inu, dog. Ichi ni san shi go roku. Ichi ni san shi go roku. Onyomi is n. Nu. Kunyomi is hayai, early. Hayai is early. Hayaku is early or soon. Socho, early morning. Socho. This is kanji of asa. We have already learned this kanji. Socho, which can be also read as cho. Socho is early morning. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu. Onyomi is ken. Kunyomi is hakaru. Hakaru. Major. Tokei. Tokei. We used kei. Tokei. A watch or clock. We used here to measure time. So, measuring time, tokei, this kanji is used. Here, kei gakusuru. Kei gakusuru. We are doing plan. So, to measure that, we use this kanji, kei gakusuru, to plan. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go. Onyomi is gai, ge. Kunyomi is hazureru. Hazureru, soto, hazusu, hoka, out, foreign. Soto, it's outside. Soto is outside. Gaikoku, gaikoku. This reading, onyomi reading, gaikoku is foreign country. Geka, it's a surgery. Geka, it's a surgery. Let's practice. Kingyo, kingyo. This is kanji of kin, gold. Kingyo. This is kanji of fish, sakana. Kingyo, goldfish. Jozu, jozu, skillful. Heta, unskillful. Techo, techo is a pocket diary. Tegami, letter. Tegami, letter. Tokei, tokei, we measure time. Tokei, watch or clock. Gaikoku, gaikoku, foreign country. This is kanji of soto, which means outside, outside of the country, so foreign country. Gaikokojin, gaikokojin, foreigner. Jikan, jikan. This is kanji of aida, between. This is kanji of ji, time. Jikan, jikan, time.